Alright, today let's talk about wear and tear on lag bolts. This is a lag bolt that's been in the ground in Las Vegas for 2 years. Look at all this stuff built up. It's called caliche. Basically, the hard sediments that are in the ground, when water gets into them just from a little bit of rain or watering your lawn, it mixes with those sediments and it forms this stuff, and it is concrete tough. By comparison, this is a lag bolt that has been to Burning Man probably between 5 and 10 times. You can see it's a little rusted, and that's because the playa, the ground in Black Rock City, is slightly corrosive. But every year at the end of the season, we just kind of bang them out and it gets everything loose. This caliche stuff, much stronger, much harder. And by comparison, here's a lag bolt that's almost brand new. This has just been to one camp out. You can see, just at one normal weekend camp out. Hasn't been through a whole lot. And in 2 years' time in Las Vegas, it turns into this. So crazy.